ஒழுங்கா பேசு ரொம்ப நேரம் பேசக்கூடாது ஒரு
Good
நிமிஷம் தான்
afternoon. I'm Yes Yogashri of class 8 studying in Mahendra Girls School located in Chengalpat. I'm here to share my views on learning. We all know that this is the time for learning, knowing the world and understanding concepts. Do you know why? It's because a small child understands things easily as well as better than an adult. But do you think it's useful nowadays? Of course not. None of us are understanding concepts. Everyone are just memorizing the words given in a source. You know, friends, we must memorize for writing our board exams. But do you think board exams will be conducted from lesson 1, which you read in first standard? Of course no. Then why should you memorize information given in your first standard? We all know that we all think that memorizing is a great job. We all think it's a easy job, but it is the most difficult job. Once when your syllabus increases, you get tensed, you lose your confidence and get a bad impact on exams. Do you think it's necessary? You know, friends, in our olden days, all children faced a problem. They couldn't understand the concept as there were no one to teach them. But is it like that for us? Of course not. We have so many resources, and one of them is ASSET. ASSET stands for Assessment of Scholastic Skills through educational testing. ASSET exams are not only conducted, but the feedbacks are given, and you can see where you are standing. It also says the ways to improve yourself. Friends, do you remember us writing ASSET exams for the last 2 years? What do we feel when we get ASSET exams? Me feel, come on, why are they wasting 1 week time in writing this? But I'm saying they are saving the time which you will sit and memorize in the future those same questions, but take more than a week. Today we get ASSET papers with 2 questions and the previous day's answer. You think it's an ordinary paper? Of course not. It helps you in developing your knowledge. So let us understand the concepts and become the queens and kings of India. Thank you.